Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce how to convert pollutant concentration in air from part per million or ppm to milligram per cubic meter. This is very simple, but sometimes a student may not be aware how to convert this between actually both units from ppm or from milligram per cubic meter to the other way. So let's start with how to convert the part per million to milligram per cubic meter. So you need actually to know the molecular weight of the gas that you are interested in. So say we are interested in converting part per million from carbon dioxide. It would be different from converting also the same number or the same amount of methane to milligram per cubic meter. So this is the conversion unit, the conversion equation here. So this is the unknown milligram per cubic meter. And if you have the concentration in part per million, we have to multiply by molecular weight of the gas that we have, and then divided by the molar volume. And this is basically the volume of the mole under the standard temperature pressure, which is 0 degrees centigrade, or basically 273.15 Kelvin. So in this case, based on that, this is very simple again, but sometimes actually it's confusing for some students. And here we can actually, for example, if we need to convert 10 ppm or 10 part per million of carbon dioxide to milligram per cubic meter. So, and we know that the molecular weight of carbon dioxide is 44.01. And again, this the molar volume, which is constant in this case. You can also convert this if you have different temperature. So basically, in this case, you need actually to know the molar volume under different temperatures. So this is very simple, actually, equation, and you can substitute the value for the ppm into this equation and get 18 milligram per cubic meter. The other way actually around this is very simple also. If you would like to convert milligram per cubic meter to ppm, so it will be the same thing, except that you need actually to reverse the equation. Basically the previous equation, but you reverse it. For example, here if we have to convert 10 milligram per cubic meter of methane to ppm, in this case you can just plug the values, and we have the molecular weight of methane is 16.04, and in this case the 10 milligram per cubic meter is 15.24 ppm. Yeah, I would like to thank you, and if you have any question, I know this is actually simple thing, but it's important for when you calculate the emission rate or emission intensity or emission flux. All of this actually important in this case. See you next time.